Meet the wolf spider, one of nature's most fascinating hunters. Unlike most spiders, wolf spiders don't spin webs to catch prey. Instead, they rely on speed, strength, and stealth, chasing down their meals like tiny wolves of the insect world. What's even more amazing is how the mother carries her egg sac everywhere she goes, and later, hundreds of spiderlings ride on her back until they're ready to survive on their own. These spiders have excellent eyesight, with 8 eyes arranged in 3 rows, making them powerful nighttime predators. They might look scary, but wolf spiders are harmless to humans, and actually help keep insect populations under control.